Far away, where the ocean meets the sky, there was an island that did not exist on ordinary maps. An island seen only by those who still believed in adventure and in secrets that time could not erase. On a quiet morning, a small boat moved gently across calm waves. Guided by a dream far bigger than itself. On board stood a brave young boy, his eyes fixed on the horizon, filled with hope and curiosity. Beside him was a smart and thoughtful girl, holding an old treasure map, its edges worn, its story alive. The map was not just ink and paper, it was a promise. Promise of a lost treasure hidden long ago, and of a mystery waiting to be uncovered. As the boat moved closer, the island slowly emerged from the fog. Tall trees, strange rock formations, and a deep silence filled the air, as if the island itself was watching. When their feet finally touched the warm golden sand, they both felt it. This moment would change everything. The beach was quiet, too quiet. No voices, no movement, only the sound of the sea and the wind. But faint footprints in the sand told a different story. Someone had been here before and never returned. Carefully, they walked deeper into the island. The jungle was thick, and sunlight struggled to pass through the leaves. With every step, the feeling of the unknown grew stronger. Fear followed them closely, but turning back was never an option. Between the trees, ancient stone ruins appeared. Cracked walls, mysterious carvings, and symbols worn by time. They told a story of pirates, betrayal, and a treasure hidden to be protected forever. The girl stopped to study the symbols, reading them softly, piece by piece. The boy watched the surroundings, sensing that the island was testing his courage. Every symbol was a riddle. Every riddle guarded a secret. This was not a place where strength mattered. It was a place for patience, wisdom, and trust. Hours passed as they searched, until they discovered a hidden stone mechanism. One wrong move could destroy everything. They exchanged a silent look, a moment of doubt and belief, and chose to trust each other. Slowly, the stone began to move. A deep sound echoed through the jungle, as if the island itself had finally decided to open its path. Behind the wall, a dark cave appeared. Cold air flowed from within, carrying silence heavier than before. Yet deep inside, a soft golden light was waiting. They stepped into the cave carefully. The walls reflected warm light, smooth and ancient. And there at the center stood the chest. A treasure many had searched for, a treasure no one had reached. With a trembling hand, the boy opened the chest. Gold, jewels, ancient artifacts shimmered before them. But what truly surprised them was not what they saw, it was what they felt. The treasure was never the true goal. The journey, the fear, the courage, and the friendship that grew with every step were worth more than any gold. They sat in silence for a moment, letting it all sink in. Then they smiled. As they left the cave, the sun was beginning to set. The sky filled with orange and pink hues, and the island felt different now, calmer, almost satisfied. They returned to the boat, the map still glowing softly in their hands. But this time, it was no longer just a treasure map. It was the beginning of a new story. As the boat sailed away, the island slowly disappeared back into the fog. But the memory remained. Because some treasures are not buried in the ground. They are found in the journey itself.